Hey friends, so you're gonna see me in a different location today. I am currently in my friend's kitchen, my best friend's kitchen in Florida, and her only request out of me for this entire week is she buys the groceries, I make the home cooked meals. So tonight I am making her husband, and the kiddos smashed burgers on Texas toast. So I'm gonna show you how I make my smash burgers. You don't have to make your smash burgers like this, but this is how I make my smash burgers. So let's get into it. I went ahead and washed my hands, and we're gonna do 1 pound of ground meat. You can use ground chicken. I need to get all this blood out first. You can use ground chicken or ground meat or ground turkey. You can use whatever seasonings you want, but these are the seasonings that I'm gonna use.
He's been trying to get those last.
It's a tad bit of Greek seasoning. I'm not gonna put it on everyone's, but I am gonna put it on my smash burger when I go to cook. But isn't that awesome?
The dill pickle?
Yeah, you want some?
Yeah, you better.
JK, everyone wants it, so we're gonna do it. Because I know Kayla would want it. So I went ahead and seasoned it. I am also gonna cut up some onions to put in it, and then I'm gonna put some shredded cheese in it, and then I'm gonna put something to combine it. So we added a handful of cheese and our onion, and I added an egg as a binder. She does not have anything to use as a binder besides an egg. I am going to smash these down as thin as possible. I might use a cup to smash it as far as I can go, but let's get something to put these on. Okay, so we're gonna cook these on some cast irons. So I have my cast iron here. I'm gonna put it on the oven and let it get really, really hot, and then I'm gonna put some oil. It's already been seasoned. Yeah, baby? While we're waiting for the skillet to get really, really hot, I'm gonna prep hamburgers, and I'm also going to put these in the microwave so that they soften up a little bit so I can smash them and then technically roast them. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with water and put it in the microwave so it can cook a little bit fast. We're gonna go ahead and make the smash burgers. This is clean. I cleaned this surface. Go ahead and mix it all up. I wanted barbecue, they do not. But if you wanted barbecue, you just add like a smoked seasoning in it, and then you put a little bit of barbecue. It's so amazing. And some crispy onions up top. Shucks, guys. Y'all might not like this, but it will be okay. Since they don't have breadcrumbs, I'm gonna put a special ingredient. It's okay, I got them. So we went ahead and got that smashed down. The cast iron isn't as quite as hot as we want it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and get the potatoes out, check them, and see how they're doing. Can you grab Blossom while I'm off? You did not burn all the oil off of this. I know. Oh, why didn't you tell me? I wash your brother's hands. I got the mop. He just went right through my mop stuff. Yeah. It would seem Kayla did not burn off all the oil off of her cast iron, and if you don't do that, it will smoke. I don't know how to cast iron. She don't know how to cast iron, guys. You're not here, you're in Arkansas. Shit. That's how you know it's done. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on the skillet. This is not what you're supposed to use on a cast iron, but it's what she has to. What? Is this say it's right across from a Dollar General? You're gonna take your aluminum foil. I'm putting these in the air fryer, but she doesn't have an actual regular pan. So this is how I'm doing it. Smash them. This would be 10 times better if she had rosemary. She does not, and
I don't deal with the green things, oregano or parsley. I don't like none of that.
And she has fake butter.
That's real butter. I need to churn my own butter.
I do. I want her to.
I would not mind.
So we're just gonna put butter on this, salt, pepper, and then probably some garlic, and then we're gonna put some Parmesan on top.
Another bag. What do you do?
Salt, pepper.
What do you need me to do with
I need you to get it situated. No. Okay, some onion and garlic powder.
Baby, where's
So now we are gonna add Parmesan, but we're gonna give it a little while to roast and the butter to melt, and then we're gonna put the Parmesan on. So go ahead and put this in your air fryer, 350 for about 10 minutes, and then check on it at 15. Now we're gonna take this Texas toast. This is what we are going to put our smash burgers on. This is what we're looking like for the potatoes. We're gonna go ahead and coat it with that Parmesan. I'm also sauteing some onions. My friend likes hot pasta salads. So no, you don't rinse these ones. Criminal, I know. super hot. So hot pasta salad, some onions, our smash burgers, and let me check on the potatoes. Nothing. Roasted potatoes. Okay, so now I'm gonna assemble everything and show you. I think I'm gonna assemble mine to show you how good mine's gonna be. But Texas toast, a patty, some onion. This is not the squeeze kind. And a piece of Texas toast on top. And that's how we're making our smash burgers. Take some pasta salad. It is hot pasta salad, that's what she likes. And then we're gonna take some roasted potatoes. And this is what we're having for supper. Thank you guys so much for cooking dinner with me. For those who have, hold on. For those who are members, I will be posting a cookbook recipe for this burger. That recipe will be downloadable. You can download it off your computer if you would like on my channel for my members only posts. But I hope everyone has a wonderful night, and bye friends.